welcome back to our channel. In today's class we are going to discuss about 8th class mathematics chapter 2, that is linear equations in one variable. So what is linear equations we are going to discuss now. So if we consider these four equations, observe carefully. If you observe equation 1, this equation is having only one variable, that is x. If you observe second equation, this equation is having two variables, that is x and y. If you observe third equation, this equation is having only one variable, that is x in right and left two sides. Okay. If you observe fourth equation, this equation is having three variables, that is x, y and z. So at first, if you observe the degree of the variable, so in equation 1, here it is degree is 1. If you observe 2, the variable degree is 1. If you observe 3, the variable degree is 1. If you observe 4th, the variable degree is 2. Okay. So these three are having the degree only 1. So in these also, in equation 1 and 3, only one variable is having. In equation 2, two variables are having. So these kind of equations, that is which equations are having only one variable, that equations are called linear equations in one variable. That is called also simple equations we can call. Okay. So this one is simple equation, this one is also simple equation, this one is also simple equation but in two variables. So we are studying about linear equations in one variable. So now we are going to studying about linear equations in one variable we are going to study. So if you observe any equation, equal is having two sides expressions. If you consider this equation, in left hand side one expression is there, right hand side one expression is there. So if this equation is having constant terms and variable terms, this left side of the term is called left hand side, that is LHS. Right side of the term is the right side of the term or expression is called RHS, right hand side. Okay. So this is very important. In this chapter we are going to find out the value of the variable by different using different techniques and different methods. So for this we are going to use major techniques. That is, if you observe these, when we are transfer or when we are shifting a positive term to right hand side, that converts to negative term, and negative term by transferring, that is converts to positive term, and multiplication term converts to division term converts to multiplication term. By using only these four properties and different techniques, we are going to solve the problems in linear equations in one variable. Okay. So let us discuss about do these page number 76 we are going to discuss. By solving these do these problems, we are getting the application knowledge. So don't leave the do these problems. So don't leave the do these problems. Do these problems are applied questions all, I think. Okay. If you solve that do these problems, you get more knowledge about the subject. Okay, in any chapter. So do this. Which of the following are linear equations? Page number 76, 8th class mathematics textbook. So they have given some questions. We will discuss. So question number 1 is 4x plus 6 equal to 8. Question number 2 is 4x minus 5y equal to 9. Question number 3 is 5x square plus 6xy minus 4y square equal to 6. and fourth one is xy plus yz plus zx equal to 11, and seventh one is and fifth one is 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0, and sixth one is 3 equal to 2x plus y, and seventh one is 7p plus 6q plus 13s equal to 11. Okay, so the question is, which of the following are linear equations? Okay, simple question. So we already discussed, so we are discussing about linear equations in one variable. Okay, so the question is, which of the following are linear equations? Okay, linear equations means, can you got it my point in the previous discussion? Linear equation means only which expression is having only degree 1 on variable, that is called linear equation. Okay, so if you observe equation 1, so this is in this x is a variable, x is having 1 degree, so this is linear equation. Okay, so next if you observe 2, 4x minus 5y equal to 9, in these x and y are variables having only 1 degree, so this is also linear equation. X is having, x and y are variables, this is a 2 degree equation, so this is not a linear equation. xy plus yz plus zx equal to 11, this is also having 2 variables, degree equal to 1 plus 1, 2, so this is also not a linear equation. If you observe fifth one, so x and y are variables, these two are having only 1 degree, so this is linear equation. If you observe sixth one, x and y are having only 1 degree, this is also linear equation. Seventh one, so seventh equation is having 3 variables, that is p, q, s, so these 3 are having only 1 degree, so this is also linear equation. So this is do this session about linear equations introduction. I think you understood well about what is linear equations, what type of linear equations are there.